Hi, I'm Jerry Navarra. When you've been in the business for almost 50 years like I have, you learn a thing or two about furniture. Today I want to share some easy tips with you on how to maintain your dining chairs. Whether you bought them from us or someone else, with a little maintenance here and there, your chairs will last a lot longer and they'll be a lot safer. Over time, the wood and metal connection points will expand and contract from changes in temperature, humidity, and with everyday use. As a result, the bolts can loosen. When loose, the chair joints will begin to flex, which loosens the parts even more, and that leads to damaging the furniture. That's why maintaining your chairs is important, and you need to do it annually or whenever you feel any movement in order to keep your chairs in great shape. I'm going to show you how easily this can be done right in your home in just a few simple steps. For starters, you'll need a big towel or a blanket to put over your work surface so you don't damage that or damage your chair. Here's what you're going to need: a 10 or 12 millimeter wrench or a 4 or 5 millimeter hex wrench. First, turn your chair upside down onto the work surface so that you can access the underside. If the legs are really loose, tighten the fasteners until they just start to give a little resistance. Next, we take the chair, put it back on the floor. Now you want to sit on it. That will help seat the legs so that the chair will be level. And finally, we can take our chair and return it to our work surface and finish tightening the bolts. This isn't the world's strongest person contest, so take it easy. Over tightening your bolts can cause damage to the chair. You can tighten all your chairs in just 10 or 15 minutes. This is Jerry from the Jerome's Workshop, giving you more tips and tricks to help you keep your furniture in great shape. Until next time. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe.